What is analytics? It is concerned with turning raw data into insights for making better decisions. Analytics is a field which combines data, information technology, statistical analysis, quantitative methods, and computer based models into one. Analytic is the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in a data. We generally use two terms that are analysis and analytics. What is the difference between the two? Analysis looks backward over time, providing marketers with a historical view of what has happened. And analytics, it looks forward to build models for the future and predict the result. So analysis help us in providing with historical data so that we know what happened with the organization, and analytics help us to modify that data acquired from analysis and make models over that data and predict the future results. What is the need for analytics? So analytics helps in getting past data and making out meaningful insights from the data. So it helps in cost reduction, better marketing and product analysis, organizational analytics, and better and fast decision making. So, for example, when we talk about better marketing or better sales plan, let us take an example. When we have past data for our sales and revenue, factors that were covered for achieving the sales or revenue, we can study it and predict future sales and revenue based on the models built on the data collected from our past sales and revenue. Similarly, if I take example for organizational analytics, so organization it is a group of different departments, functional departments. So what we can do is we can keep a harmony between all and get a analytics with each of the department. So if I take HR, like human resource. So analyzing human resource department, it involves analyzing data of employees, their attendance and leaves, productivity hours, how enthusiastic they are based upon their feedback from the seniors, making it digitalized. So it all makes easy to analyze the performance of an employee. Similarly, if I take example of product analysis, so when a analysis is done over a product, whether it is existing or you want to launch a new product, so it is very helpful as it provides with better insights. How can we improve the existing product and where we can launch a new product and in which market we can do that. Business analytics. So business analytics refers to the skill or technologies practices for continuous iterative exploration and investigation of past business performance to gain insights and drive business planning. So what does it mean? Business analytics is a word, is a term, it is a study that has been done many of the times today. So it refers to the skill, technology or practice that is used to explore and investigate the past performance of a business and gain insights and drive business plans and get a better result for our future perspectives. The study of data through statistical and operations analysis, the formation of predictive models, application of optimization techniques, and communication of these results to customer, business partners, and executives. So the analysis helps our business partners and customers to get a result or a communication based upon our study and predictive models, like how our business is doing, how will our business do in future. Some of the domains that where analytics is used are marketing analytics, pricing analytics, retail sales analytics, collection analytics, cyber analytics, financial service analytics. So you can see there is telecommunication, talent analytics. So each and every sector of our industry are using analytics for their betterment of business. Next is business analytics versus business intelligence. So both are very important topics. Business intelligence is the base for business analytics. It is a business intelligence helps to, it is required to run the business, and business analytics, it is a statistical study to improve the business planning. So business intelligence, it is a process of collecting data from all the sources and preparing it for business analytics. And if we talk about business analytics, it analyzes of the answers provided by business intelligence. So when a business want or is planning to go for data driven decisions, that they want their future plans, business plans to be based on data driven approach, the first step for the company should be for business intelligence, which means the company should collect the data from the past data from all the sources, and the next step will be the business analytics, based on which we will get to know the analysis of that data collected from BI. And then business intelligence answers what happened, and business analytics makes answers why it happened and whether it will happen again or not. When we talk about business intelligence, the different sources from where the data can be collected are automated monitoring or reporting, and it includes alerting, dashboards, ad hoc queries. And when we see business analytics, it includes statistical and quantitative analysis, data mining, predictive modeling, and multivariate testing. So business intelligence, it talks about retrieving and discovering the organization's data to understand how business is functioning and make better informed business decisions. Wherein the business analytics, it involves use of statistical analysis and predictive modeling to improve business planning. These are the different tools that you can use for analytics, like R programming, then there is Excel, then Python, Tableau, SAS, RapidMiner. So these are different tools, or you can say programs, and that can be used for analytics and building models for our prediction. Then there is levels of analytics. It is very important to understand levels of analytics, because it will help you to make your raw data into a insightful or a meaningful data. Let's start with our first step in levels. So there is information with you. With that information, the first analytics we do is descriptive analytics. So it gains insight from historical data with reporting, scorecards, clustering, etc. So it tells you what happened if I talk about the organization, what happened till now in the organization. So descriptive analytics involves what happened to a situation. Then there is diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics says, why did it happen? So in first step, we know what happened. Now we are drilling down the cause, that why did it happen. For that, we build models based upon the data set we are having, and the type of model we are building to predict the cause of this diagnostic analysis. So modeling the behavior using regression, logistic classification, or classification rule analysis. Then the next level is predictive analytics. So predictive analytics, so from this level, your information turns into a insightful information, because what we will do is, we have already built a model, now we are predicting. So it says what will happen. It involves what will happen data. It employs predictive modeling using statistical and machine learning techniques to forecast the results. Next is prescriptive analytics. So prescriptive analytics tells how can we make it happen. Now what we are doing is, we are forecasting, or we are optimizing our information that we collected in our first stage. We had our old data, we build a model on it, then we predicted our future forecasted results. Now we are saying, we are recommending some decisions that can be taken in order to continue and make that forecast happen. For that, we can use optimization and simulation techniques. So the four levels are descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, then predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics.